What's good, it's your boy TJ, welcome back to the channel. Insane buy, 1621 was the buy limit that we caught last week in free trades. Smashing the take profit, over 200 plus pips confirmed. I'm going to show you the whole analysis as well. As I said, every single trade that I take, we're going to be uploading to this channel, so subscribe, hit the notifications as well. And yeah, join up, link is in the description, the free trading group on Telegram. It's all free, all free. I'm showing the analysis, I'm entering in the trades, pass your prop firm challenges, 50% off codes dropping right now for the Forex fund. The links down below in the description. New rules coming for them as well, and as I said, new engine. But yeah, great week last week. This morning I've woken up, I'm down about 3-4%, which is it kind of sucks, right? But it's 10 pip SL, so you don't have to use 10 pip SLs. Normally I scale the SL, just put it a little bit further away from the previous SL. So if it was meant to be 10 pips, I go 20 pips. The reason I do this is because broker spreads can be manipulative and close you out, and then the trade goes your way. You obviously lose out on all the R to R. So sometimes the drawdown might be minus 1.5, but in the end of the day, you're making 10-20% on the trade. That's why risk to reward is so important with trading. So even though I'm minus 3-4%, could be dropping another video today on being, you know, plus 15-20% for the week already on a Monday morning. Make sure to stay tuned on that. As I said, subscribe, like the content. Anyway, without further ado, let's go on to the analysis, baby. Alright, these buys, they made me over $180,000. You guys can be doing this with all of these prop firms. Make use of the opportunity. You just need a good trader like myself. Now, look, it was insane. It was insane. Previous highs of this consolidation zone. Let me map it out for you to make it easier. See this zone here? I'll make a blue rectangle box just so it makes it easier. So if we're ignoring this noise there, let's see what happens. So we've got previous sells all in free trades, sell belows to 1617. Previous highs being formed after 1622 and 1645. Why? Previous 1H, previous 4H. If you're looking, previous highs here, previous lows here, 1645. We sold there. What happens here? We come up, reject, pull back down from the previous sells up here. If you look on the 1H, it explains it a little bit better. Previous highs, previous lows from the channel, sell back down. We drop below 1617. If you look on the daily, and we get rid of this rectangle box to make it easier to see, we didn't break the lows of 1614, and then we bullish engulf up. Now look at the daily right now. This was Friday, this happened. Now with the entry, support being found at the previous lows here, previous highs being made, and then we wicked out there. This indicated that we're going to make highs. So the pullback couldn't break below, rejected the body, and then went bullish. That's exactly how it happened. That's all what happened. And the reason for the buys anyway, and this will make it so much more sense. We wanted the buys to retest 1645 for further sells back down. If you look on the 1H at 1678, all the way up here, there it's going to be a major retest because previous highs, we never retested the body, 1678. So now we're bullish until 1678. If I play the replay mode or just get out of the replay mode, you can see over on Friday, from when we entered all the way to there, if you held, you would have made a 47% trade. Personally, obviously, you wouldn't have held because the reason why we called it buys was because 1-3 tap. Now, if you're looking at this trade right here, we've seen 1670 to 1644, previous highs of the channel. So collection here, we're going to see a retest. If I show you the 4H, it makes more sense. We're going to see a retest, previous highs there. Retest back up, bullish to 1678. Now, join the free trading group. You guys can be in this. So from here on in, you can be in this trade. And we actually call 1646 buys. And yeah, it's going to buy from here on in. This was just a pullback. Look on the 15 minutes. Pullback here, indicating buys. And if I just leave it on for about a minute, you guys will see the buys will come in. And it's an easy trade. Now, this trade here, as well compared to the previous trade where we made insane amount of profit. As I said, let me just restructure this. Could have made 20 to 1 on the buys here, and when you take a sells, you're gonna hit a sells. Okay, that's the facts. With strategies like 10 pip sells on gold, you're gonna hit a sells. It's just managing your risk accordingly and not getting stopped out. As I said, 15 minutes. We'll see this now go buys, and once we break out of that high being formed there, then we know that gold is gonna go bullish. Now it will continue bullish. Very, very nice. And that's basically. If you are new around here, like, subscribe, make sure you get in this trade. I just wanted to see how it would react. Also, I'm sending this to my free trading group, which is why I just had to go quiet there. I had to see what the trade was saying. And yeah, I needed to get in as well on a re-entry scalp because I want to maximize my profits today. Obviously, who doesn't want to maximize their profits? You got to be careful. So 0.5% scalp my entry in right here. Got a 1% trade holding here as well. So we're just scalping in. So my entry buys, this would be in another video, but it was 1646. You could do 1645 if you wanted to. My SL was 1645, but I moved it to 1644. And now we're in here, scalp another entry, but it's a 0.5%. So I got 1% on there, 0.5% on there. And yeah, you just scalp, TP on the body of the wick right there. You're expecting a retest zone here. This is a retest zone, which is why you're getting into buys. As I said, you see the 4H, it's shouting buys. And then when you move this up here, you know, you're taking 10 to 1s, both 10 to 1s, risking 0.5% on the re-entry. You're still making 5% in total. And yeah, and it should just continue to go along. But the buys that we caught on Friday, very, very nice. Could have held. I didn't though. And yeah, some people would be saying, if you look on the 4H, we could be coming down previous lows here. But I'm expecting some sort of retest before. If not, be annoying. But we'll see what happens. Appreciate the support everyone's showing to me. As I said, we're going to make a lot of money this week. So join in. Thanks for the support. Take it easy and peace.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay